So in this video today, I'm going to be making a Christmas wreath with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So here we have that Christmas bell and we have the red deco mesh. Now I would suggest that red deco mesh you purchase somewhere else, only because it frays so bad. So I had a lot of trouble with this fraying everywhere. Just saying. So, and I am using one of the mini wreaths. They usually come two in a pack. So I'm just using one of these. I'm trying to show you how I did this wreath without using any hot glue at all. Now that gold ribbon was on clearance last year at Michael's and I still have plenty of it. So that's probably the only thing I have that's not from the Dollar Tree. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Wood Round or Wreath Wednesdays. And this is being hosted by DIY with Aria and Low Lids Creations. They do have a guest and it's Clary's Creations. All right, so you choose the length that you're going to cut that deco mesh, and I'm going to be using the chenille stems, and that's what's going to hold this together, and you'll see what I mean here. So I roll out the deco mesh and then I'm kind of pinching it and scrunching it all together. Once it's together, we'll use one of the chenille stems to kind of tie it in the center. It should look like a bow. So now I did move the camera around hoping that this would show you better, and I hope I achieved that. Now, they're looking really pretty there in that pile, but I'll tell you, you probably need 2 of these deco mesh. I like things full in order to go around even that little small ring. So that's why I say it's probably better, not only because of the fraying, but because it wasn't enough to fill the small wreath form. Now we're going to go ahead and start tying it around the wreath form, and I really wasn't attaching it. I just was tying it from the back, and you can move them around, fluff it out, and probably cut off all the frayed parts just to make it look a little bit cleaner, and that's what I'm doing here. can see here that the deco mesh, just the one, was not enough to go around that small ring. So you are going to need at least two if you want to go entirely around there. I was going to hang that bell and also create a bow and trying to camouflage a lot of the empty, sparse places. Now, as you can see here, even the bell, I just went ahead and just ran a chenille stem through it. This whole project did not include any hot glue at all, which is actually really nice. And we're gonna tie that, and then we'll move on to the bow. So I think that this project came out absolutely beautiful. I just wish it was a little bit more full and it didn't fray so much, because you always see me moving the pieces that fell off. But overall, it looks like a beautiful project, and we're going to get ready to head on over to the reveal. All right, isn't that beautiful, guys? I think it came out beautiful, and I hope you agree. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.